Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the essentials. Install Warp and the official Vscode extension, then enable the Warp CLI so commands are available. Once done, run Warp version to confirm the CLI is on path. Next, open Vscode and set terminal. Integrated. Default profile to the Warp profile so new terminals launch correctly. Make sure authentication completed in Warp. Without it, sessions and sync features won't work. This gets you into an interactive Warp shell inside Vscode immediately, ready for the core setup. Now you build the working environment. Create a persistent Warp session and name it for the repository. This preserves history and context. Configure shell integration, choose ZSH, Bash, or Fish, and export any needed environment variables so tools behave the same as your native terminal. Use Warp blocks and prompts to split workflows into reusable snippets. Insert them while coding to speed repetitive commands. Once you link snippets to Vscode tasks, make sure paths and permissions match so tooling like linters and debuggers run. Finish by customizing profiles. Adjust fonts, key bindings, and colors so the terminal reads clearly and keys behave predictably. Then enable Warp Sync in your account settings to replicate sessions and preferences across machines, which saves time. If something fails, the key troubleshooting step is to check path and the Vscode extension logs, confirm Warp version in the integrated terminal, restart Vscode, and relaunch Warp. If the extension still misbehaves, disable and re-enable it, then reset the default profile. This resolves most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.